tell you what, making these videos can be a real challenge. I had a bad cable on this microphone and it took me about an hour to figure that out, and then I recorded it using the wrong screen. So this is my third or fourth time recording this today. But you know what? If you can't see, you can't work. Your eyes are your first line of defense on the job, and one of the easiest things to take for granted. They let you read, measure, align, weld, cut, and move safely. But on a construction site, they're under attack every day. From dust, debris, sunlight, sparks, and chemicals. The truth is simple. You only get one set of eyes. Now you can replace a glove, a boot, maybe even a finger, but not your vision. Here are some everyday enemies of sight. Dust and debris. Cutting, grinding, sawing, and demolition kicks up clouds of fine particles. A single speck of metal, concrete, or wood can scratch the cornea and cause days of pain or permanent damage. And then there's flying objects. Grinders, chisels, and power tools can launch debris faster than you can blink, and blinking is no defense at 200 miles an hour. There's chemicals and irritants, such as concrete splash, solvents, cleaners, all capable of burning or blinding. And here's the catch. Many don't cause pain right away. By the time you feel it, it's too late. And then we have bright light and UV exposure. Welding arcs and torch cutting produces intense UV radiation. Unprotected eyes can develop arc flash or arc burn, a painful burn to the cornea, and long-term exposure to bright sunlight can lead to cataracts and eye fatigue. And then we have eye strain and fatigue. It's not just flying debris. Even focusing on fine detail for long hours in bright or dim light wears your vision down. Headaches, blurry sight, and fatigue makes accidents more likely. Here's a real job site story. I once worked with a man named Kenny, tough as nails, old school. He was welding a piece of pipe and pulled his face shield up for just a second to check alignment. That second was long enough. The flash hit his eyes, and by the next morning, he couldn't open them. He said it felt like sandpaper on his eyeballs. 2 weeks off the job, and his vision never fully recovered. 1 second of carelessness, years of regret. Here are some ways to protect your vision. Number 1, wear the right eye protection. Safety glasses for general work, goggles for dust, chemicals, or liquid hazards, and face shields over safety glasses for grinding, cutting, or torching. Make sure welding hoods have proper shade lenses for welding and cutting. Number 2, inspect and clean daily. Dirty lenses distort vision and cause strain. Scratched or cracked lenses can shatter under impact. Replace them. Number 3, make sure you shield others around you. If you're welding, grinding, or torching, block off the area or warn others to stay clear. Don't let your work blind someone else. Number 4, handle chemicals with care. Always read the SDS for products you're using. It tells you exactly what kind of eye protection and first aid is needed is splashed. Number 5, rest and adjust. For tasks needing long focus, like reading blueprints, fine assembly, or precision alignment, take brief visual breaks. Adjust the lighting to reduce glare. As supervisors, make sure eyewear is stocked, cleaned, and replaced regularly. Enforce PPE requirements and teach crews to match protection to the task, not just to wear the same glasses for every job. In closing, Sight is priceless, but it's fragile. All it takes is one spark, one splash, or 1 second of neglect to lose what you've relied on your whole life. If you can't see, you can't work. If you can't work, you can't provide. So protect your vision, because no job is worth losing your sight over. All right, boys and girls, that's my thoughts on the subject. I appreciate you stopping by, and I appreciate you watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share this video with associates and coworkers and comment on the content of this video. And until we see each other again, look out for yourself, because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And most importantly, have a grateful day, and I'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.